experience at the buggy riding in the quad bike center was very great. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Savio, for the good trip. We'll be definitely going back again in this company. We're gonna go back to Rayna. Thank you very much.
Fantastic experience, esperienza fantastica, guida top.
Eccellente.
Excellent tour. Ramesh gives very informative information.
Excellent tour, one of a kind of experience. Thank you very much.
Great, excellent.
I love the experience. It's fantastic. The day with the camels and the falcons is amazing.
Lots of fun in the desert. The dune bashing was super experience.
It was an excellent tour.
We are enjoying the services of Rayna.
Rayna is very good.
Guys, thank you very much to Rayna Tours for organizing this tour for us. It was amazing.
Rayna Tours, wonderful experience.
We're all very happy. I think it's the best company that we have chosen to.
Rayna Tours is excellent, very humorous, very informative. It was an awesome experience.
Amazing tour, and the guide is 5 stars.
Ramesh is the best. Rayna is the best. Wonderful tour.
The experience was fantastic. Book your desert safari tour with Rayna. It's perfect. You'll never go wrong.
It was awesome and wonderful.
Very nice. Enjoyed it. Thank you.
With his service, he is wonderful and I am very pleased with him.
We'll recommend. I'll be here next year again.